Hey friends, if you wish to fix Skype JavaScript error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. The first one is to enable JavaScript in internet settings, and I'll show it for Google Chrome because it's the most popular browser. The steps are similar for all Chromium browsers. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select site settings. Scroll down, click on JavaScript and make sure that it is checked at sites can use JavaScript. If it is selected as the second one, change it. The next solution is to enable the .NET framework. Search for Windows features and click on turn Windows features on or off. Now expand the list for both of these. Check this, and make sure that all of these are checked. Click on OK. And this will fix the problem for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.